Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you something what I made shortly. It's a trammel hook. It's right in front of me on the table. But before we have a look, I'd like to say thank you to my new subscribers for adding me, and I'm very glad. Surely greetings to all the others which are watching my videos all the time. Thank you very much. So let's have a look. It's right there. Let's do this. Yeah, here we go. Oh. There we go. So it started with 2 bars, 15 by 10 mil. And the size was about 400 mils, roughly. That was the only measurement I took. The rest is made by the mind, the feeling, and so yeah. Okay, I started to make both hooks like this. Then I made the big twist and flatten it out so it's still a type of square, you see, otherwise it looked round. And this hook got created nearly at the end of the project, not at the final end but at the other end. Then I took the other bar, this one. The hook was already on, and then I punched this hole here, so it's a square hole, and it has exactly it has got the size that this bar is able to fit through, like here. So that's the way I did it. I made this square hole till this bar went through easily, like here. So after that I gave it a bend of 90 degrees, and then the whole thing was flat again, and I center punched those holes a little bit, and then I have to punch the holes inside. I had to use 3 tools to do this, to get the size. So when these holes were in, I created this hook to make it fit in these holes. So after I was that far, I gave it a twist always in between those holes. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, because I have 5 holes, so it's only for 2. I have my touch mark there, but I think I won't sell this one. I will keep it. So the thing about this is this fits together, and I will show you how that works. So yeah, how does it work? This part goes in here. One-handed, we can do the other way around. It's much easier. So this goes in here, and it fits. And now I'm able to adjust the height of this thing by using the holes. So this on top here is on the tripod, and below here on the bottom you can put your, what is it, for cooking this thing, you know. What is the name of that? A pot maybe, a teapot, a kettle, whatever. And if the fire burns down, you just take, you go lower or higher, depends what you want to do. So you have 5 holes, so that means 5 different lengths above the fire. This hangs on a tripod, and I think it turned out okay. So yeah, this is my trammel hook, which I made. I never made one before, so I saw it on GS Tongs. It's a nice channel. He's a nice blacksmith from Taiwan, and I thought I'll give it a go. I made it slightly different, so it's my own creation. So now it's time to say thank you for watching. Again, thank you for tuning in all the time, and you know what comes next. See you on the next. Bye bye. Have a great weekend.